Hello, my name is Mambo, and today we'll be talking about COVID-19. We will be discussing the background, development, global effects, and more on the COVID-19 vaccines for you to be more aware of. The COVID-19 vaccine protects individuals from and minimizes the effects of COVID-19. Despite of what you've heard, the COVID-19 vaccine brings no harm to or any alterations within our DNA system. You will also find that it is safe for most individuals because the ingredients inside the COVID-19 is made out of fats, sugars, and salts, which can be found in many of the food that we eat in our day-to-day life. Once immunity develops within the body, it gets rid of these ingredients from the vaccine, which is a very normal response within the body. The vaccine is also given as a shot within the muscles of the upper arm or thigh for individuals. Back in 2020, we were able to see a great deal of development over time for vaccines. 4 DNA vaccines, 13 protein subunit vaccines, and 6 RNA vaccines were entering clinical trials so that people were able to really see these effects. And by August 23, 2021, we had 4 major vaccines recommended by the CDC that was approved for people who are 16 years old in order for people to use within the United States. These vaccines included Pfizer, Moderna, Novavax, and Johnson & Johnson, each one being able to trigger and target different parts of the body to help the body increase its defenses and build immunity. Sadly, across the globe, there has been a fear of these vaccines for COVID-19, and it is heightened, especially due to miscommunication. And one of the things people were concerned about is that there was a short amount of time to produce these vaccines. However, it is key to know that due to new technology and clinical trials, the vaccine was truly developed with a great amount of care. Thankfully, though, there is over 12.7 billion COVID-19 vaccines that have been given out to 184 different countries, and we have over 30,000 doses a day within the United States that are given out to individuals. Hopefully, we can see this being increased over time. Things to take away from is that this vaccine is reducing transmissions, but not overall truly preventing it. It's shortening the window of this disease being spread, which would mean that you as an individual, if you have the COVID-19 vaccine, but also get COVID-19, you will be able to have a reduced number of time that you're able to transmit it to others. However, you are not completely prevented from transmitting it to other people. The goal of this current vaccine is to reduce the numbers of deaths and illnesses caused by COVID. However, future vaccines are trying to tackle this major transmission issue by targeting the respiratory tract over the lungs, because currently it is targeting the lungs, but major transmission is dealt with in the respiratory tract. There's also concerns with the COVID-19 variants, and future vaccines should also target any future variants that could occur with this overall time over the years. The best message of this entire series is to please get vaccinated and as well get your booster shots. As you stay up to date with health news, you can not only help your own safety and your health, but also encourage and better the health of those around you. These are my references that I used to create this presentation, so please also take the time to read it in further details in your own space, and thank you so much for listening.